Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable smart doorbell chime setup using Echo devices. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your Echo device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select devices from the menu options. Tap on the Echo and Alexa category. Choose the Echo device you want to connect with your smart doorbell. Scroll down and select Settings. Look for the Doorbell option within the Settings menu. Tap on Doorbell to see available devices. If your doorbell is not listed, make sure it is properly installed and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Select your smart doorbell from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your smart doorbell with your Echo device. Once linked, go back to the main devices menu. Now, go to Routines to customize how you want your Echo to respond when the doorbell rings. Tap on the plus icon to create a new routine. Choose When this happens and select Device. Select your smart doorbell to trigger the routine. Next, select Add Action to specify what your Echo should do when the doorbell rings. You can choose options like announcing the doorbell or playing a sound of your choice. Once done, review your settings and tap Save to finalize the routine. Your Echo device is now set up to work with your smart doorbell chime. Test the setup by pressing the doorbell button to ensure everything works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.